guys? I've been cleaning up there on our house and I found this my drone. Actually, I ordered this way back 2017 or 2018. I ordered this 2017 or 2018, I think. So my problem here is, let's see. So as you can see, it was very old enough. Actually, when I ordered this since 2018, it was already outdated. This drone was already outdated. So let's say 2018, way back 2018, or midterm of 2017, and today is 2025. So this drone is very outdated already, because when I ordered this, it was already outdated. So this is inside. This is the drone here, and this is the controller here, and this is the drone. But you might think that this was separated from this. Actually, when I ordered this, I was very excited, and when I tried this drone, I thought that this battery, I ordered at least four batteries, because it has I think three batteries, and I thought this remote has already battery in it, but when I ordered it, it was nothing. So I tried to message the reseller in, I think, Lazada or Shopee. I tried to contact the reseller, and they said that the battery of this controller or remote is separated and they are out of stock. So to my disappointment, I just let this is as it is. I did not use it up until today, because I'm finding a hard time on looking for the battery of this. So this battery here inside is, I just ordered this a while ago, just a minute ago when I started recording, including this. This one is an extra where the store owner tried to or tested the batteries that she is selling, because I thought that the battery of this is bigger, but when she tried the big battery, it is not that it cannot fit here. So she tried this, and when she tried, it was it fitted. So this is what I buy just a while ago. I'll try, but actually, same day I ordered this drone and camera. But my camera is, I don't know, it was I don't know where I misplaced it here in our house. But the problem also with that camera is it has no battery also with the camera. So even though I ordered, I think, at least 3 memory card with the 256 gigabyte, that's, and 2 memory card which is to 1 terabyte each. So I ordered them, and to my disappointment, the camera has no battery also. And I also tried to reach out the reseller of the camera, and they say they don't actually, and honestly they didn't feedback to me. They did not reply, even though I tried to call and call and call, but they did not reply. So this is my water where I drink in my uh, training, during my training on trail running. So this guys, this my, and these are the battery here. These are the things that I ordered, and these ones are the nylon for shoes, knitting the shoes. So this is the uh, home, or where I ordered this for my camera, but it's useless. I'm not using it. As you can see, it was very, I did not use this, but as you can see, there's dust in it, in this area, color white, because it was way back 2017 or 2018. So let's try this. Hopefully. You might think that I have a battery here. Batteries here. These batteries are, I think, the same. Yeah, they are the same in this. But I did not realize that this battery is for this. Because this battery is for this one. For my headlamp. I'll try to open it. Nope, it cannot be opened. For that, that is for my headlamp. I did not realize that it can be used in this. So let us try. I'll end this video and I'll try again.